Hi, I'm Paul Gibson from Jenny Bees, and today I'm going to talk about hive stands. I've had a few comments made on the hive stands that I currently have in my apiaries, so I just thought I'd show you guys what they're all about. There's several benefits with these that I'm using. A lot of bee farmers in particular, but certainly other beekeepers, keep their hives on pallets, which puts them very low to the ground. It means every time you're doing inspections, you inevitably knelt down. It's no good for my knees, and the ground in the UK is pretty much always damp, so that doesn't help either. So I come up with these hive stands that I think pretty much cope with all the problems that you get on normal hive stands. So the first thing to say is that these are obviously foldable, and they fold up to this height, which is about 4 foot or 1.2 metres, so they should quite easily fit into a car. And obviously then they're unfoldable, as you can see. Quite simply, just unfold, and then your whole stand is at a nice easy height to do your hive inspections. So these are obviously designed to take two British national hives side by side. We'll obviously take nuke boxes as well, because they're designed for that same size. So one of the benefits is when you're doing your inspection, the first thing you usually do is take out the end frame, and then where do you put it? So these hive stands are designed in such a way that first frame will fit in between the legs of the hive, and then you can carry on doing your inspection as normal there. One of the other benefits is you'll notice that the central piece there is slightly wider, and that means I've got somewhere convenient to put my smoker without putting it on the next hive and risking melting a hole in the roof or whatever, because these things obviously get hot. And then finally, as this is UK beekeeping, you quite often find that you've got to do your inspections every 7 days, regardless of what the weather's doing. So I carry one of these with me. This is just a fishing umbrella really, and these hive stands are designed in such a way that the umbrella can cover the two hives, so I can inspect both hives whilst keeping myself pretty dry. I'm sure you'll agree those are pretty good benefits from a double hive stand. Anybody who's interested in purchasing these, they're available on our website jennybees.co.uk, and I'll put a link up so you can find it easily. For those of you that are into DIY, I'll actually show you how I assemble these, and if you wait till the end, I'll put a cutting list up of all the timbers that you need, and then you can go away and make your own. Feel free to adapt the sizes to suit yourself. Oop. Bee in my hair, I'm going to get battered here, aren't I? Okay, so these are the components that you need. We've got the two rails that the hives are going to sit on, obviously, and then 3 bracing pieces to go in between those, and then we've got 4 legs and 4 bracing pieces to hold the legs together. Other than that, you're going to need 4 coach bolts and just a handful of screws, a couple of sizes. Okay, we'll put it together. I'll probably drive over one of these screws on the way out. Oh, thin egg. That's going to sting me, isn't it?
Yep.
Is it stuck in my hair? Is it still there?
Probably. Yeah, it's still there, but...
Just what?
Oh, it's gone now.
Scary, yeah? That'll all be the outtakes, the B-roll or whatever they call it. Okay, I just want to get these bolts. That's the top, and we just need to mark up where those 2 rails are going at the bottom. All the screws. Another bee on me. I'm going to get stung here, aren't I, today? I can still hear them buzzing around my head.
One on your forehead.
Have you gone now? There we go. And then all we do then, just put the legs so those come flush on the top. 2, 3, 4 screws. Put those tight under there. Under there. There we go. Job done. Solid. So here's a list of the materials that I've used. On this occasion I've used treated timber, and that's the same as those that we sell on the website, so they should last years and years. Please feel free to adapt anything that you need to change, maybe the height or the width to suit Langstroth Hive, something like that. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, with plenty of videos to come this season. And I'll see you next time.